thank Rebuilding Macon. My wheelchair ramp, before we had it repaired multiple times, and the wood had started to dry rot and it all come apart. And frankly, I was afraid to even drive my wheelchair down the ramp because that it was going to collapse. It had started pulling apart, good Lord, about 3-4 inches. Rebuilding Macon came out and removed the old ramp and actually overhauled the deck and replaced the wheelchair ramp for me. And I am very grateful to the volunteers from Rebuilding Macon, and I'm very thankful.